This simple leftover turkey and pearl barley soup is a comforting dish that's both rich and savory, made effortlessly with just a handful of ingredients. To prepare this turkey barley soup, take a medium-sized pot and lightly saute a mixture of chopped carrots, celery, and onions for approximately 6 to 7 minutes until they take on a subtle golden hue. Next, add turkey, chicken, or vegetable broth, along with rinsed barley and a pinch of salt and pepper to your liking, and give the ingredients a mix. Allow the soup to gently simmer on low heat for 45 to 60 minutes until the barley is tender and the flavors have combined well. Next, stir in shredded leftover turkey and allow the soup to simmer for a few additional minutes before serving. If you enjoyed this easy turkey barley soup recipe, don't miss my latest video here where I will show you the quickest method for cooking a whole turkey in the oven. Check it out now.